Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you Milow Puppy Robot Interactive Electronic Toy Dog. So, in this case, you might be wondering what is the Milow Puppy Robot that you may be hearing online or you're seeing online. Well, Milow here is an interactive plush robotic puppy toy designed to mimic a real dog's behavior: walking, running, barking, wagging its tail, and stretching. With some listings noting it responds with a bark when its head is patted. It's built with a soft synthetic leather style exterior over a internal frame and is marketed towards both children and adults as low maintenance companion pet market alternative. Now, it's rated for various age ranges depending on the specific listing. So some show ages 0 to 3, others rated for older children. Now, in this case, two power setups appear across different listing here. Some versions run on a two AA batteries inserted into the puppy's underside, while others are rechargeable via USB cable, with a listing battery life of roughly around 3 to 4 hours of continuous use per full charge, about 2 hours for fully charged. But then again, that actually fully depends on where you are actually buying the Milow robotic puppy dog. But yeah, how to exactly use this? Now, for the battery-powered version here, just insert the batteries into the compartment in the puppy's abdomen here and turn on the power switch to activate it. And then begins walking and interacting automatically, responding to touch and movement across surfaces like carpet or hardwood. Now, for the rechargeable ones or the rechargeable version here, include USB cable to charge fully before use. Then the power on the same way here. General care instructions include wiping the surface gently with a damp cloth rather than submerging it in water, and turning it off and storing it in a dry place when not in use to preserve the internal components here, since these are still electronic. But yeah, on the pricing side here, it's sold across retailers rather than one single storefront here, with prices commonly ranging from around $30 to $60, depending on the retailer, version, either battery or chargeable, and any ongoing promotions. But that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.